you know already, we were discussing about the third lesson, that is people around us, right? So in the previous class you have learned about the some community helpers and also a meaning of the community helpers, right? So this is a time for revise the previous class, what you have learned in that. Okay, my dear, then tell me what is mean by community helpers. Yes, your guessing is right, my dear. So people who make our lives easier are called community helpers, right? People who make our life easier are called community helpers, right? Okay, my dear, then tell me, give examples for the community helpers, my dear. Yes, you are right. So milkman, postman, police, doctor, teacher, tailor, greengrocer, baker, peon, fruit seller, so many people, right? So these are the examples for the community helpers. All these peoples are around us, isn't it? Okay, then tell me, what is mean by greengrocer? Yes, your guessing is right, my dear. So who sells the fresh vegetables, that person is known as greengrocer. Okay, who sells the fresh vegetables, that person is known as greengrocer. Okay, my dear, then tell me, who rings the bell at the school? Yes, you are right. Your guessing is right. So P1 rings the bell at the end of the each period. Okay, that is the work of the P1. Okay, my dear, then tell me, who bakes the bread and cookies, biscuits in the bakery? Yes, you are right. Baker bakes the bread, biscuit, cookies or other food items in the bakery. Okay, my dear, then tell me, can you identify this picture? Who is she? Don't you know? Okay, don't worry. She is florist. Okay, she is florist. About her and other remaining community helpers we are going to learn in today's class. Okay, so before that, let's open your textbook on page number 165. Because of now I am going to read the remaining lesson. Okay, have you opened the textbook, my dear? Okay, let's read the remaining lesson.
This is Jenny. She is a confectioner. She makes cakes, pastries, sweets, etc. and sells them. She always sells fresh products. This is Gloria. She is a florist. She sells flowers. She makes different types of beautiful bouquets. We decorate our houses with flowers as well as gift bouquets to others on special occasions. Meet Mr. Stanley. He is a bus driver. He helps us to travel from one place to another safely. This is Roshan. He is a pilot. He flies aircrafts and make our domestic and foreign tours easy. This is Harry, the sailor. He sails his ship across the sea. Each and every community helpers plays a very important role in our lives. So we must be grateful to them and treat them with respect. Workstation. My dear students, in your textbook there is a workstation. We will discuss about that at the end of the class. Okay. So my dear students, you can practice how I read the lesson. In the same way you can practice in your home itself and make a audio record of that and please send to me by WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, my dear students. So now I am going to write the interesting words which are given in the textbook and which I fetch in the textbook. Okay. So be ready with your pencil and also classwork book. Okay, because of you must underline all the interesting words on your textbook and you can write down in your classwork book. Okay, my dear ones, let's read the interesting words one by one. Okay, so first one is Jenny, Jenny. Second one Confectioner, confectioner. Third one Pastries, pastries. Fourth one, PRODUCTS, products. Fifth one, GLORIA, Gloria. Sixth one, FLORIST, florist. Seventh one, BEAUTIFUL, beautiful, BOUQUATES, bouquets. Ninth one, DECORATE, decorate. Tenth one, STANLEY, Stanley. AIRCRAFT, aircraft. 12th one, DOMESTIC, domestic. My dear students, all these interesting words you must underline on your textbook and also you can write down in your class work. Today only you can practice all these interesting words how to pronounce. Okay. Because of it is help to read the lesson very easily for you. Okay, my dear? Okay, so now we are going to discuss other community helpers. Who are those and how they providing the different service. By that, how we make our life very happy, comfortable and beautiful. Okay, my dear students, now we are going to discuss and learn about some other community helpers who are make our life, our day-to-day life very easier, comfortable, happy. About them, let's learn in detail. Already you learned some community helpers in the previous class, right? So in today's class, we are going to learn other community helpers. Okay, my dear friends, let's meet my friend Miss Jenny. Okay, so she is Miss Jenny. She is a confectioner. Do you know the meaning of confectioner, my dear? Don't you know? Okay, don't worry. Let's observe the board. Okay, confectioner, it means a person who makes or sells the sweets, pastries and cakes is called confectioner. Confectioner, it means the person is preparing or else he makes the different types of delicious sweets like jamun, jangir, jalebi, Mysore pak, badusha, badam puri, like that. Okay, so and also he prepare the pastries and cakes. That person is known as confectioner. Okay, now you all are thinking, what is the meaning of pastries? Right? Have you seen the pastries? Don't you see? Okay, let's observe the picture, my dear. So this is the picture of pastries. Pastries in the sense, so nowadays in the special occasions like birthday parties or marriage anniversary time, what we are doing? We cut the cakes, right? On that time we are telling to our parents, please bring the cool cake or else jelly cake. You can bring that we are telling, right? Cool cake, chocolate cake and also jelly cake. These cakes are known as a pastries, my dear.
Now your mouth is watering, right, my dear? Okay, later you can go and eat it. Okay, my dear?
And also, the confectioner is making the cakes also. In sometimes in the bakery, we are seeing the different types of cakes, right? Vanilla cake, chocolate cake, and some beautiful cakes we are seeing, right? So, confectioner is preparing the sweets, pastries, and cakes. Understand? So, Jenny is also preparing all these things. That's why she is known as a confectioner. Understand? Okay, my dear. Let's identify the next picture. Who is she? Yes, your guessing is right, my dear. She is a florist. What is the meaning of florist, my dear? Yes, your guessing is right. The person who sells and arranges cut flowers are called florist. Okay, who sells the different types of flowers and who are arranging the flowers as a decoration, that person is known as a florist. Okay, florist, they are doing the, florist, they are arranging the different types of flowers in the different occasions, and also they are making the bouquets, my dear. Have you seen the bouquet? flower bouquet. So this is the flower bouquet. So this flower bouquets we are using as a gift in the special occasions. Okay, in serials or as in the cinema, you are watching that. So bouquets we give and we are wishing them. What is the occasion is that we are wishing them, right? So florists are sells the different types of flowers and they are arranging the flowers as a decoration in the special occasions like a marriage function. Okay, and in festival time also we are decorating our house by using the different flowers. For example, sevanti, isn't it? Marigold, chenduva, right? So that we use and we are decorating our house, is it? So that is also a doing by the florist, my dear. Understand? Okay, my dear. Let's identify this picture. Who is he? Yes, your guessing is right. He is a driver. He is Mr. Stanley. Okay, Mr. Stanley is a driver. He is help us to travel from one place to another place. Okay, so drivers are help us to travel one place to another place. For example, you can take the bus driver as car drivers. Okay, so if they drive the vehicles, it means then only we can reach the place. Which place do we want? That place we can reach. Okay, so they are help to reach the one place to another place, my dear. Okay, my dear. Next, who is he? Do you know who is he? Don't you know? Okay, don't worry, my dear. So he is Mr. Roshan. He is a pilot. He is Mr. Roshan. He is a pilot. Pilot, it means he flies aircraft like a aeroplane and helicopter. Okay. Pilot, it means they are flies the aircraft. Aircraft, it means aeroplane and helicopter. Okay. So these two vehicles are known as aircraft. These two vehicles are flies by the pilot. Okay. Who is the pilot? Mr. Roshan is the pilot. See, my dear, we want to go foreign countries, it means on that time which is the best transport, my dear? Airway, roadway, railway, which is the best transport? Yes, you are absolutely right. Airway is the best transport, right? Because of foreign countries are so much far away from our India. Okay, we want to reach very early, it means we have to use the airways. Okay, so the airways are the very domestic transport devices and these two are make our foreign tours very domestic and happy. Okay, understand? Okay, my dear. Next, have you identified this picture? Who is he? Do you know who is he? Don't you know? Okay, don't worry, my dear. So, he is Mr. Harry. He is a sailor. He is Mr. Harry. He is a sailor. Sailor, it means a person who works at sea on a boat or ship is called sailor. Okay. Who is working on the sea. Sea in the sense samudra. Okay. Sea, it means samudra. So, in waterways, which are the vehicles are traveling on the water? On the water? Yes, your guessing is right. On the water, the ship or a boat are traveling, right? Who working on the ship or a boat, that person is known as sailor. Okay, sailor ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಮುದ್ರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೋಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಶಿಪ್ ಹಡಗುಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ದೋಣಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಶಿಪ್ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಅವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಸೇಲರ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, my dear, a person who works at sea on a boat or ship is called sailor. For example, you can take the Mangalore beach. In the beach, we are seeing the small boats or big ships we are seeing. Okay, so that is also one of the major transport. Okay, that is also one of the transport, my dear. About that we are going to learn in the next class. Okay, in the next lessons. Understand? Okay, my dear. So, Mr. Harry is a sailor. He works on a boat or a ship. Understand?
So, my dear students, each and every community helpers who are in our surroundings, all community helpers are plays a very important role in our lives. Because of, see, they are providing the different services which are we needed, isn't it? They fulfill our needs and they are working for our happiness. For our happiness, they are providing the different services and they make our lives easier, comfortable, happy and beautiful and painless, right? So that's why, my dear, we must be grateful to them and treat them with respect. Okay, so for example, my dear students, in this corona pandemic situation, all the doctors, nurse, asha karyakartas and police, everyone, every community helpers are, they are working day and night because of they need our happiness and our health good. Okay, they wanted to keep us happy and healthy and they want to protect us from the coronavirus, right? So that's why, my dear, we must be grateful to them and we have to proud feel about the community helpers. Okay, so that's why you must respect everyone's, each and every community helpers and also all the peoples, my dear. Okay.
So, my dear, in your textbook there is a one workstation is there. So that's why please open your textbook on page number 165. Have you opened the textbook? Okay, what they given in the workstation, it means stick picture of your favorite community helper and write 3 or 4 sentences about him or her in your scrapbook. Okay, so what the community helpers are there now? In that, who is your favorite community helper? So that picture you can paste on your scrapbook. Under that picture you can write 3 or 4 sentences about them. Okay, why they are favorite, why they favorite for you. Okay, about them you can write in a 3 or 4 sentence. Just who is your favorite community helper? About him or her you can paste the picture and write it about why that community helper is your favorite. Okay, that you can write in 3 or 4 sentences. This work you can do in your home itself. Okay, so my dear students, I hope you understood the concept what we discussed in today's class. In the next class, we are going to do the textbook activity. Until you can keep reading the lesson and practice all the interesting words and also all these definition you can practice in your home itself. Okay, so my dear students, make a audio record of reading the lesson and send me by WhatsApp. Okay, so my dear ones, we will meet in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye bye.